just saying yeah, 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 yeah. Better nights, better days when you're here with me, babe, cause you're all that I crave.
I want to go early because it's been slowly coming in, so I just thought, and one of my girlfriends loving flowers.
Don't hide away from me when I need you more.
Good morning. I am really wide awake today. I've had 2 coffees and today was just kind of like, let's get stuff done. It's Monday. I usually like to go into the week of like, okay, tasks, let's get everything done, and the girls start school, so I had like a bunch of school stuff that I had to get ready for them and like their bus and everything like that. But their birthday party is this weekend and I'm so excited. Ooh, I wanted to show you guys what came in the mail. I am going to be doing a full video for you, my next vlog, which I'm going to be filming all throughout this week. I have more stuff arriving, and then my coordinator in Dina Calgary Party 50, she always helps me with all the planning and does all the balloons, so I think they're coming Saturday. So I'll show you guys sneak peeks and everything. I'm having my coffee. I'm making Sophia a grilled cheese, and then Mia wants like just plain toast, so I'm making that right now. Did some organizing in my kitchen yesterday, but I definitely have to do like a full cleaning day again. Before I do a full cleaning day, I wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that came in for the girls' party. It's been slowly coming in, so I just thought I would show you everything that has come in so far. How cute are these? So I got these little carriage holders for tea sandwiches at their party. So I got a white one, and then it also came in gold, which I like. I'm obsessed with the gold. I think this stands out so much. So cute. They have a nice weight to them too. And then also these right here, I have 2 or 3 of these, so I'm gonna put treats on them, like I think cake pops or cakesicles or something like that, but really cute too, and perfect for that like fairy tale or Disney princess theme. I also found this the other day at Winners. Look how nice this is. I'm like obsessed. It's so pretty, so I thought it'd be really nice for like holding our soap, which I always pick up my soaps from Marshall's. I just love the bottle, so pretty. Got them this, but one of the bottom parts is broken off, so it's gonna be a little hard, so I might just take the things out for them to use in their little like play area outside. It's a little gift idea. I got the girls this, but I ended up opening it so they can play it. When I'm saying I can't even walk in my office, I mean it, because there's stuff everywhere. So I have all this girls' stuff for their birthday parties. I have been trying to hide it, but it's just obviously getting hard because everything's accumulating. I went to HomeSense yesterday and I picked up some Halloween goodies, and I know people are like, oh my god, are you shopping for Halloween? But I want to go early because I've noticed everything cute is gone really quickly, especially here in Canada. We don't get a lot of stuff like you would in the States. So everything pink is gone like off the bat. So I just tried to grab as much as I can. I use a lot of this stuff for props for filming as well. So I picked up this skull. This was the only cute mug they had, which is like the little Boo Ghost one. Picked up little pumpkins. It was the Martha Stewart ones. These came in a set of 4. And this right here, I did like a little video yesterday if you guys follow me on Instagram. So this little candle as well, so cute. Had to pick up this. A personal favorite, this says pumpkin spice and it's a candle and it's a coffee mug. So I'm like, this is so perfect for me. This is kind of like more fall autumn, but I love it. All this stuff came in yesterday. So I got everything from Temu. And I just obviously think they have so much variety, and I've worked with them before. I'm not working with them on this video. I bought everything myself, but I will link everything for you because I know a lot of people tend to want my links for Temu, so I will do that. This stuff's for like the goodie bags, the treat bags. I got the kids' crowns and then like little princess rings as well. The shoes down there. I got some other things. But yeah, lots of stuff to share with you guys. And then also these are the plates. These were kind of expensive, but it's hard to find really nice plastic plates like this. And I got the smaller little dessert ones and then the full size dinner plate. So yeah, there's a lot of kids and I wanted to do like a really nice setup. Seriously feels like Christmas anytime I get new clothes in the mail, you guys. I am so excited for all these new pink fits and I want to try them on and show you. I am like obviously such a pink and girly girl, but I love being cozy and comfortable for like 100% of my day because obviously being a mom and just running around constantly, comfort is my #1 thing. But if it's comfortable and it's pink and it's cute, it's definitely up my alley. These outfits come packaged really nicely too. So this company is called Pinspark and they are actually sponsoring today's video and I'm so excited to work with them. Those are also eco cozy. So I'm really excited to open them up and try them on. Oh my God, so cute. So I'm gonna go wash everything and then show you guys once I try everything on. Everything comes so nicely packaged. Also, everything's so soft. This skirt, oh my goodness. The quality and just the material is just amazing. I am just using my phone to film right now. It's a little easier, but I wanted to show you guys my new outfits and I cannot express enough how comfortable the inside material is. Like, oh my goodness, it's so comfortable. It has pockets, it's very loungy, and you guys know I love anything comfortable, loungy that I can wear during the day, that I can clean in or that I can go out in for like errands. So this is definitely, I think, my favorite. So cute, and you guys know obviously I love pink. I also love the fact that it has pockets, so it makes it even more just kind of loungy. And again, the color is just perfect. I love the color. I love the color and the fit is so comfortable. And then we also have this one. So this one is the pullover sweater, which I really like. I think you could obviously like wear this any time of the year. Even like a summer night because it's not like hot at all. It's got really breathable material. Again, so comfortable. The nice thing too, you can definitely like dress this up. I got a few skirts that I'm going to show you guys in a second. But then it's also just like perfect for like around the house and loungewear, and it's so cozy. I am definitely a skirt type of girl, so it's got the shorts underneath. It's so comfortable. And I mean, I don't play golf. But this would be really cute for like sports, if you do it, and if you're like athletic, and even cute gym wear. But very cute. I love the riffles like in the back, and the material is just so soft, and I totally would just rock it with this, like a pullover sweater. I think this would be really cute for like a little shopping day. Other shorts I picked out were these ones right here. I really love like high-waisted shorts. And again, these are so comfortable. You can throw this on with just a tee, or now that we're getting into like autumn, I would totally just wear it with this sweater. But I am all about comfy, cozy clothes, especially during fall and autumn. But yeah, super nice fit, and they're not overly tight, which I really like. Is the last skirt option here. So this one's really cute too. I like it. Has the riffles all the way around. You could wear this casual, or you can wear it obviously athletic if you wanted to work out in it. For me, it would just definitely be like more loungy. And again, just the feel and texture of these pieces are so comfortable. Actually cannot get over how soft the material is. So it's the same fit as the last one I showed you. It's got the pockets, and right here with the pants also have the pockets. Also notice the fit is perfect for me. I'm on the shorter side, but they're actually not too long, as you guys can see, which is great. It's hard to find like pants. I find usually they're too long, but these are honestly perfect. And yeah, I feel like this is probably one of my favorite colors for fall. And after this, I'm about to film a reel, and I think I'm gonna wear the original outfit I had because that one was my favorite with the little pullover zipper. But yeah, I wanted to share with you guys all these outfits. I will link them in my description for you as well if you guys are interested in buying them. Again, the fit, they have a lot of variety on their website. So if you guys were wondering what size I got small. And again, everything is extremely fitting and really comfortable, and I really love the quality. Love how loungy they are. Definitely my favorite color, pink too. And they have so many different ones, so definitely go check them out. I am just hanging everything up right now, but if you guys want links for everything, I will have everything in my description for you. Good morning. Good morning. I am just cleaning up right now. I had a get together at my house yesterday, which took place in my kitchen, so I'm just putting everything away. I also used my tier, which I haven't, I think I've used this once, and it's so cute. It's from Amazon, but I had macarons on it. I also bought these really cute kitchen towelettes. They have little bows on them. And one of my girlfriends brought me some candles yesterday, which was really sweet. This one. This one's pink, Ghost Party. She brought this one too. I love Sand and Fog. I actually have this, not with this design, but the big one. This one right here. I love, love, love their candles. And one of my girlfriends brought me flowers, so I just put those in a nice vase, and they're so pretty. And these are great because I use them all the time just for like if we're having guests over and things like that. But dried florals are the way to go. I really like them, and you can just plop them in anytime, and you don't have to go out and buy flowers, which is quite nice. So I have a bunch of these. Anything like coconut vanilla I love. So I lit this one yesterday, the 5-wick, and then also just this small one right here. But this candle smells so good. I always get compliments on this chain. So I got this gold chain, I think it was from Marshall's. But I mean, they have them at Home Sense, Marshall's. I've seen them at a few stores. I lit this one yesterday. This is also a really cute one. I think I have a few of these. I got them like in my Ipsy add-on. These are so nice for entertaining too. So we had champagne out of these, and I got these in a set on Amazon. They're still my favorite, the gold rim ones. This came in the other day, so I got a bunch of these. I thought it'd be a really good idea to have like a jewelry making kit area. I thought I could do it where like I'm doing the dress up and they can make little bracelets. These were a great price. I think they were $20 for like one set. And it comes with a ton of stuff, like I think 100 different charms. So it's kind of like the Pandora ones. But yeah, there's tons of those. Also got these, they're like little hair clips, really cute. And then I also have these bracelets, which I thought were really nice. I thought I got more of them. I would have to, I don't know, get more. And then I also have all the treat bags. So these were the only ones I could find that came with one princess and a prince. So they're really cute, great size too. I'm just putting like little things in their bags this year, like fidget toys and some candy and things like that. And then these were great. So these you can put like popcorn and candy into, and I just thought the color went really nicely. A lot of stuff I haven't taken out yet, but this stuff I'll show you guys quickly. So these I got for decor for the table. They're like big arrangements for flowers, but I mean, you put anything in them or leave them as is because I think they're just so like stand out on their own. These candle holders are very princess and Disney, so I got these, which I thought were so cute, and then I just got like little LED lights on them. And another one I got too, so yeah, I just got one for each table, but I might, or yeah, it would look good as a centerpiece. I should have got two more, but that's okay. Then I got this phone, which I thought was so pretty and amazing, and it actually like makes noise. Yeah, anyways, it does though, and it's just such a nice little piece, I think, for like a prop. And then this, I got this little like bird cage for decor. I got another stand right here. These are cute. I got these made. I can't remember if I showed you guys this in my last video. Probably not. I got a bunch of bows too for the girls. These I got made off Etsy. So me and Sophia turned 6, and then the kids can do these at the party and then take some home. And these are for desserts. I have to tighten them though because I was in a rush yesterday. But yeah, they're really easy to put together, and you can put like snacks on them, which I think we're putting cupcakes and like small little cookies and things like that. I got the girls' birthday cards. I found them yesterday at Safeway. I just thought these would be perfect. So cute. So I got one each, and they're just really big cards. Other thing, I got both of these made on Etsy. So you can see here, I just put welcome to Mia Sophia's 6th birthday. We got all the princesses on there, and I bought stands so they go in our grass. But just a really nice welcome sign. And I did it on both because the way our backyard is set up, like you'd be able to see both sides. So that's also a little tip, because then if you don't do both sides, it would just be plain on the one side. This was on sale. I have so many reusable bags. Look at this, like so many. But this right here, I got this box. I was going to put some gifts in it for their birthday. I just thought it was very on theme. It was on sale too. Got bags of bows. I thought this would be really cute just for decor. So I got 3 big bags. And then also I got these. Like, we have so much good stuff for little treat bags. So these are just like little squishy toys. Okay, so lastly, I got these 2 pillowcases. They're gonna be going on a little couch that I bought. It's really cute. It's gonna be for photos, but yeah, I got both of these. They're really nice quality, actually. Bonus room is looking a little crazy right now. I have all the girls' outfits here. I keep adding on ones because I keep going to HomeSense and finding such cute little dresses for their little play area. A few of their friends came over and tried them on, and I just, oh, it's so cute for them all just to do dress up. And I thought it was such a great idea for obviously the theme, like Disney princesses. It just made sense to me. I got some different sizes because there's like younger girls coming, a lot of which are the girls' age, so 6, but there are some that are older and younger too. So I just kind of got like a variety of different fits and sizes, but I'm so excited, you guys. Lots of videos and lots of content coming around their party. I'm so excited. I got samples of their balloons and the girls let go of them, of course. So they're all over our roof right now, but they're all over our ceiling right now, but there's gonna be lots more for their party. Finally have organized my closet because I was transitioning into fall and it was just a disaster. Like, I still have to do these drawers. These drawers are like crazy of makeup, but I'm gonna save that for a reel and probably do that later today. I still have stuff everywhere because the girls' party's coming up next weekend, and I just have so much decor that I've basically hidden away for right now because I have their party stuff. I have Halloween and like Halloween fall stuff that I've bought too. So I do want to do like more hauls, but I'm going to wait until after their party and they're back in school. So it's so crazy. I can't believe they're going back into school next week. And it's like the end of summer. It's crazy. Basically just get everything here, like decor and props prior. But I wanted to show you guys these little couches. I got these for photos. We're gonna have like a big setup area where they get to dress up. And yeah, I wanted to just quickly show you guys how cute these couches are. I got them on Amazon. So can't remember if I showed you guys these. Look at these little nail spa kits. The girls are gonna be obsessed with these. They love doing their nails right now, and their hair and everything. And I have more stuff, but again, I'm gonna be showing you guys in my next vlog, which is gonna be just dedicated to the girls' party and organizing, decorating, and yeah, the process. I'm so excited. I feel like last year I didn't share enough with you guys, and this year I'm just really excited. Ryan's mom arrives just in a few minutes here, so that's why I've just been like cleaning, getting everything ready. And honestly, look at my kitchen. I cannot remember when my kitchen was this clean, like ever. It's just so clean. I've been trying to do a good job of just cleaning as I go and organizing as I go, or else it becomes a disaster. Buy more of these candles too. These are just my favorite and they smell so good. I am gonna leave the vlog here, but thank you guys so much for watching. I am so excited for the girls' party. I'm gonna have another video go up more in depth and detail of like their party and then decorations, because I know people usually get inspired from their parties, and you know, I get asked lots of questions about it, so I wanted to make it a priority and make sure that I did like a video of behind the scenes and just like decorations and things like that. Thank you again to Pinspark for sponsoring today's video. I absolutely love They're pieces that I got to wear and try on, and I feel like I'm just gonna be living in them for the next few months because I always am looking for new cozy comfy clothes for around the house. As you guys know, I work from home, so it's just like coziness is my vibe. So I hope you guys are having a great week, and of course I will see you in my next video.